5-year update. It's been about 5 years since I made this simple little funnel here, and I want to show you what I made since I last introduced you to my lead gen secrets. Almost 200 grand, over 195,000, almost $196,000 in the past 5 years. And of course, today's June 3rd, Tuesday, 2025. I decided to bring back the funnel. Why not? It still works. People still love the leads, and the system that I put together for it is just it's unbelievable. It's like we're making money twice. People need a funnel for it that converts. We have that here. We host it with a company called HBA Funnel Builder, which is $25 a month, pays 80% commission. So on step one, when you join us here in this opportunity that paid me almost 200 grand, not only are you going to make money like I displayed on this page, 5 levels deep, but you're going to be able to make $20 per month residual commissions on step number 2. Again, this is just a quick update for June, Tuesday, June 2025. Things are still rocking and rolling. It wouldn't be here this long if it didn't work, if people didn't like the leads, if it didn't make sense. As long as there's marketers out there that need leads, which there will always be an in-demand need for leads, and of course an opportunity to make money reselling them. Definitely go ahead, click step number 1, join my lead gen secret, and meet me on step number 2 to plug into the same funnel that you're looking at right now.